Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm starting as you guys. As how could you know me? This is literally my foolishness to say welcome back to my video. I know it will be the first time you ever visited my video. So it is my first day of political science. Uh, Actually preparing my notes or revising my syllabus just and speaking in English to get better. So first is political science. The first day of political science or political science day one. Okay, let's start with the topic. So political science is being derived from the word from the Greek word polis. Polis means city or state. A state, what is state? A politically organized society. And there are some pillars of state. The main pillars actually are community of people, territory, government, and sovereignty. The other two pillars, which are international recognition and constitution. Why these are not main pillars? Because international recognition doesn't matter. We Pakistani doesn't recognize Israel, and Israel doesn't recognize us, but we still exist. And the second is constitution. Constitution doesn't matter because UK political system doesn't have any written constitution, but it's still a state and everyone knows it. So the main pillars of community of people, there must be some people uh, in state, obviously. Second is territory, and there must be their specific territory in which the state going to organize a political movement or political organized society. The third is government. The government is needed to run those community of people, and the fourth is sovereignty. But now, what is sovereignty? Is basically uh, like an example, if someone attack on your country, it is against your sovereignty. And now sovereignty, there are two types of sovereignty. It can be internal sovereignty, and it can also be external sovereignty. External sovereignty is that India attacks on Pakistan, we say that this is against our sovereignty. That is external sovereignty. And which is internal sovereignty? When some BLA movements or Balochistan in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in this side. In Balochistan, there are some terror groups which claims that they are anti-state, and they attack on military groups, and it is against the sovereignty of Pakistan, a state within a state. Just you can I can simplify as that. So it is against the sovereignty of Pakistan and that internal sovereignty. Now politics. What is politics? All the activities of a state, city state, is called politics. And government is basically the will of the state. And now I have very good definition here, that government is the agency, machinery, or the magistracy through which the will of the state is formulated, expressed, and realized. And the politics, Benjamin Disraeli, here I have the quotation of him: the art of government, the art of governing mankind by deceiving them. The art of governing mankind by deceiving them is called politics. There's another definition of politics, that is the struggle for and use of power. It is actually a quotation by Morgenthau, which is known as the father of IR, international relations. This is has become one of my favorite quotation, that the struggle for and use of power is simply called politics. Now, this was my day one, and I'll try to memorize them. Now I'm just reading and explaining these terms, but I'll try to memorize them so I can get better at these notes. And when I explain you English, I do get better details, because even this is how it going to help me. Otherwise, I'll just read out stuff, and I won't get better at it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, next video, I mean tomorrow, inshallah, if I am consistent enough. Okay, Allah Hafiz.